Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pack and prep with me for my vacation. I'm going to be doing a mini glow up, showing you all my things I'm bringing and also how I organize all of the outfits and the packing, obviously. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's get started. Hey guys, today is one day before the flight. I just found out that I'm missing some stuff, so I have to do last minute errands. Like, I really don't want to go, but I have to. So yeah, I will see you later. So I just came back. It's 7 p.m. 13 hours before the flight, which is very fun. Anyway, I got NYX Bear With Me concealer because my concealer just ran out, which is great before a trip. So I'm putting that here. And I also got pumping lip liner from Catrice. I'm gonna put some of the makeup in this little bag that I'm gonna bring with me on the plane. It has like the essentials, so if like my bag, the one in the like the big one, would be lost, I would still have some makeup with me. So that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go and pack my carry-on, and then I have to download some films and series for the plane, and I'm done. Before you keep out of reach for children, please enjoy unclogged pores. It's 11 p.m. We're supposed to be at the airport at 8 a.m. and the flight leaves at 10. And I have a lot of stuff to do and I procrastinated until now. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna procrastinate more and make myself strawberries with chocolate. It's packing time. Now is the best part, is folding this stuff and packing it. Wait, what? The vent is breathing. You okay? Okay, so I repacked everything, or like repacked. I just took some stuff out and then put some other stuff, and now I'm gonna weight it. It's 18.5 kilograms, which I think is okay. Like, I don't know what else I'm gonna take out. I think that's just what it is. I still have 5 kilograms, so it's fine, I guess. Don't plan on buying that much stuff. It's 12:30. No, it's 12:40. What is it? Hopefully I've packed everything. And yeah, I will end this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and I will reveal where I went. Bye.